Today we will learn Chinese characters.
高
First, please watch my mouth shape for pronunciation.
高歌凹高高高山高山那边有座高山，那边有座高山，高速，高速。汽车在高速行驶。汽车在高速行驶。高楼。高楼，城市里有很多高楼。城市里有很多高楼。
Alright, let's see how to write it. Today's character is like a tall tower or building, wide at the bottom, narrow at the top, rising layer by layer, looking straight and upright overall. In Chinese culture, this character represents rank, status, and level of ability, and is sometimes used to praise others. The upper part should be written smaller, and the lower part can be written larger. That's all for today's lesson. See you next time.